Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, fellow creative designers. Welcome to another exciting episode. And today's episode, I'm very pleased to share with you three premium PSD flyers that you can download and edit them and use them for free. Yes, these are the thumbnail I created for it, and they are premium PSD files that you can download. This is one, this is two, and this is the third one. Yes, you can download them and use them for free. It's as part of my 1 year anniversary or 1 year celebration on YouTube. Yes, I'm 1 year old on YouTube, and guys, I'm very excited about so far the subscription level, and then I've decided to create this beautiful PSD file for you to download and use them for free. Yes, just edit them. All you need to do is just watch the full video and get the password, and then use it to extract the password and then use it as yours for free. Yes, so this is the second one, and this is the third one. Yes, I will design them one after the other on this channel. So, but for the meantime, this is the free PSD file for it. Now, if you want to go through it, just double click it and then it will open. Good, so this is it. Control 0 to fix the screen. Good, this is it. This is the date. This is the contact, and all is being arranged properly. Theme, good, and then you have the images and names, good, and this is the almighty, the background. Yes, so please, in case you want to know how I design it, all the resources will be there for you to also download it and then use them for free. This is the image and details. It's a details premium mockup. Yes, it's a premium PSD file in which I am sharing with you for free in case you have a project to design a flyer for somebody and then maybe you are stuck, you don't know what to do. Just come back to my blog or come to my channel and then download the free PSD and edit them for free. So maybe let's do something and then let's add some camera raw filter, and then let's boost the whole design a bit. So while we wait for the camera, I will just advise, or I will encourage, just plead with, yes, that is the right term. I'll plead with everybody to go to my channel, Aki-Graphix, on YouTube, social media handles, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and then watch more. Okay, so the camera raw filter is ready, and let's see. Okay, so let's see, increase this side, and then let's see. I think this is awesome. This is awesome. Let's just be boosting them to your satisfaction. Yes, boosting them to your satisfaction, and you get what you want, then you leave it there. Pushing them a bit. Pushing them a bit. I think this is awesome. Or we'll look at the before and after, so don't worry. Boost here, and then let's see here. Let's see how much. Okay, so let's look at the before and after. Good. Now I realize that the after is more effective and look okay, nicer, awesome than the before. Yes, the before is this side and the after is this side. So if you are okay with the camera raw filter, then you click on OK. Then the effect will be applied. Yes, the effect will be applied. Whilst we wait for the effect to be applied, just if you are watching, this is the first time of you coming across my channel, please stick around, subscribe, and then I have a lot of tutorials in line or line up for you that you'll be able to learn from. It's a step-by-step, so don't worry. Even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to go through and understand everything clearly. Yeah, so this is the before and this is the after. So this is the first one in which you can download and then use them for free. So let me go to the second one. The second one is this. Good. So this is the second one. Remember, everything is a PSD file in which you can download them and then use everything for free, including fonts, glow effects, everything, background, everything that I use except the images. Yes, except the images. So this is also what I did. This is the before and this is the after the camera raw photo has been applied to it. So if you want to edit it, just hide this layer and then get back to the editing way. Just edit everything in which you want. This is the name, and then this is the glow. Good. And this is the texture. You open them and realize that they are grouped. This is the WhatsApp contact details, and then this is the time. It has been arranged, date, location. Good. The Facebook, then good. So you realize that everything has been arranged. The background, I have the first background, the second background. If you prefer, you can use the two. If you prefer, you can use one, or you can hide this and use this. It's also the same, or hide this and use this, all are the same. Guys, just a matter of one click, then you are good to go. That is, the click is to watch the full video and then get the extraction password. If you extract it with 7-zip and it's not working, download what do you call it, WinRAR, and then use either 7-zip or WinRAR to extract it. They'll ask you of the password. Just input the password and then you are good to go. Now the third one is this. That is, the third one is this. Boom. Good. This is also the camera raw edition. So we hide this one. If you want to edit this and use them, just hide this and then come back to the editing screen. Good. So this is it. And this is a 3D effect I created. And then in the coming days, I will teach you how I was able to create this 3D effects nicely. This is the exposure I brought over there, or glow. You can call it glow or you can call it exposure. Let's see this one. Good. So this is the trumpet, the first one, and this is the second one. You can edit them and then maybe bring another musical instrument for that side, and then yes, just be creative a bit, and then you are good to go. So guys, this is the first one, and then you go to this is the second one, and then the last one is this. Guys, all is password protected, and if you are able to watch the clear or from beginning up to the finishing, and you by now hear the password for it. Now the password for this is going to be mighty. The password is mighty in caps lock. The password is going to be mighty in caps lock. So if you are able to watch the video up to now and you have just hear everything by now, you have heard the password, and you can download and extract it and use it for free. So guys, thank you very much. As part of my 1-year bonanza, this is free PSD part 1. In the coming days, I'll be sharing a lot of PSD files with you just to download them and then edit them. Some will contain password, some will not contain password. Just take your time, go through the tutorials, hear the password, extract it, edit it, and then use it and sell it, or just use it for a client and take your money just like that for free. Guys, please, if this is again the first time of you coming across my channel, I will plead with you to stick around. I have a lot of tutorials, I have a lot of videos, including flyers, birthday flyers, banners, church banners, wedding invitation, business card or call cards, logo design. There are more political flyers or election flyers and other things. They are bunch. It's about 200 videos that I have on this channel. Please stick around. The only thing I need from you is your comments and your like. Yes, I only need your comments and your like, and everything that you want us to interact. Just leave it in the comment section below, and then let's take it from there. I love you, and I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.